tease me, baby. You got what I want and what I need, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So if you are tuning in, thank you so much. Like, what would I be without you guys? Like, anyways, so you guys, if you can tell by the title of the video, I know it was like crazy. It's like a chit chat, get ready with me. We're gonna talk about this hair that I have right here, and then you guys, we're just gonna talk about the makeup look or whatever, you know, just kind of throw it all there in once, you know, like just get in there with your girl. So anyways, you guys, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and jump right on in. Like, you know, no intro, no cut, no stop, no pause, no wait, none of that. Okay. Okay. And for some reason my face is breaking out, y'all, so I'm definitely gonna like correct this pimple that is just like saying hello throughout the video. So yeah, just ignore it for the moment, you guys. Like, I'm even sorry you guys had to even like see it. Like, I'm sorry. Let's talk about this hair detail. I will link all of it down below, y'all. I've been having this hair for about a while now, and the packaging, y'all, the packaging, oh my gosh, it came in a hair box packaging or whatever like that, but I went ahead and ripped it open and everything like that, you guys. But the wig is made through Sensational. It's the 4-part Vixen, Sensational 4-part Vixen wig. Like I said, I'll have the link down below to where you guys can order if you do want to order. And then, you know, you can just go and read up on it. It does come in multiple other colors. I just happened to get the blonde because, I don't know, you know, people be trying to tell me I can't wear blonde, so I'll be having to show them like, I can wear blonde, bitch. Trying to do what is best for you guys as well as the channel. You dig? Okay, so back to the palette now because I got everything together. That primer set in real good, y'all. Like, I mean, it set in real good, y'all. I cannot wait to show y'all the outfit and everything. I'll be so cute. Like, I'll be like, okay, y'all. So I am using my Pete Louise palette. It's the Secret Center palette, y'all. And when I tell y'all this palette is bomb, this palette is bomb. Like, the packaging was everything. First of all, the packaging was everything. Like, when you're selling makeup, you know, it's one thing to sell makeup, but it's another thing to give, you know, a care about the person that's buying the makeup. And for me, I feel like this full-size mirror was a go for me. Then these huge size colors out of the palette, it was like the smartest thing you could have ever did for somebody who, you know, is into makeup. Like, this palette right here has been my go-to palette since I've got it. I've used no other eyeshadow palette, you guys, for what? It comes with bomb colors. Like, oh my god. But, you know, yeah, so that's where I'm getting my eye look out of. You know, we're gonna stay in the soft, you know, tone eye look because you know, I don't want to take away from the hair. It's really about the hair because, you know, blonde is just not something that I would normally choose to, you know, go with. So it's kind of more so about the hair, you guys. And I'm gonna just tell y'all right now, this is gonna be a long video, and I am so sorry, but it is. I'm gonna try to get it as short as possible, but it's gonna be a little long one, okay? Because I got a lot to say, and I have a lot to cram in this video, you know, the outfit, the makeup, the hair, like the whole get ready with me process. You guys. And y'all, let me tell y'all about the names in these palettes. The names in the palette is so good. Like, they really have to sit down and ask, like, you know, hey, what should we name this palette? Because they came with some good names. And then, y'all, I'm really nervous because it's been raining all day. And I don't want the rain to like mess up my hair. And then I'm wearing heels, so I don't want to fall. I want to be cute, you know? Like I'm gonna be cute, so I don't need to be over there falling. Okay, so I'm going back in with the same blending brush that I used to blend out that pink, and I'm gonna start to blend this out. Actually, I'm gonna pick up that pink and use to blend that out. to do it exactly like that. Y'all, I'm not even lying when I say this palette is bomb. This palette is bomb. So, y'all, my wife is pulling up with my food. I'm gonna be right back. So on there, cause it was not sticking, and then it could be because of this glitter too that I have on my eyes. Being that it's chunky, it's causing these lashes not to sit where they need to sit at. And then I also do not have my lash tweezers either. Yeah, that was the problem. It's chunky and it's not being able to sit where it needs to sit. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my concealing as well as correcting my face. Again, I don't have that pulled out either. Okay, so actually I'm not gonna do all that. I'm gonna just go in with my LA Girl red color corrector, orange, red, whatever you want to call it, and use it to hide this little bump right there that has been like overpowering my face like all day today. Okay, and this one right here. Oops. Okay, we'll just use that one for the whole cheek. Always doing extra stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna take my beauty blender and go ahead and blend it out. And we're not pressing it into the skin, we're just getting it flat so that when we apply our foundation, it's not popping through. But y'all already know this though. Anyways, today is Saturday. What are y'all doing on you guys' end? Me, like I told you, this look is gonna be so cute. Yes, please. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop concealer in the color Dark 30. This is medium. I'm gonna use this to conceal underneath my eyes. And also clean up that eyeshadow. Okay. Of course, that part. Y'all, I love to get dressed up, and I just love getting dressed up. Y'all, it's like, I don't know, I can't explain it, but I love to get dressed up and, you know, go places and do, you know, meaningful things with meaningful people. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out my concealer, you guys, with my beauty blender first so I can get up here in these crevices. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some contour powder, some highlighted powder, and put that underneath my contour area. Just to give me like a really clean contour. Add some more. Alright, and that's gonna just clean up the contour, you guys. I'm gonna let this sit and bake for a while. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower so that we can go ahead and put this outfit on. And then I'm gonna be back and, you know, let my hair down and stuff like that. And with, you know, I'm just be back, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower and put on my outfit. See you guys later. Okay, guys, so I am pretty much back. All I did was let my hair down out of the bun and left it in its natural loose wave. Mine stayed, and this is the finished look. You already know I'll post the products and post pictures for you guys and all of that stuff. I'm out of breath, y'all. I sound like a fat person, like, God. And all I did was run over there to change the camera. Like, that is ridiculous. Okay, did I leave my highlight at work? Okay, so yeah, so I'm gonna have my wife grab the camera so she can scoot it back so you guys can see like the whole outfit. I'm gonna go ahead and stand up for y'all, yes. Okay, guys, so pretty much this is the finished look. You guys can't catch the shoe right now, but yeah, there, go down. These are the shoes, you guys. I'm walking a little closer so you guys can see. These are the shoes, and this is pretty much the outfit and the look that I am going for tonight. Look like break your neck? Yes. All right, anyways, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.